What's going on, folks? This is Cam Hilliard from Miller's RV in Baton Rouge, and today I am here because we have fixed the Cortez. Okay, so was the Cortez broken? No, not really, but we did do something to improve it. Before I show you what it is, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you can see more of what we're doing like this and see more of the cool products that we have to offer. Alrighty, so I'm inside of the Cortez now. You probably recognize this. If you don't, that means you haven't watched our Cortez walkthrough. So we're going to link that below and check it out. It's one of our more popular videos. So the problem is it really a problem or is it a preference? Probably more of a preference. But what we want to come with you today and show you is what we've done for the shower door fix. We've got a lot of feedback from customers, both Cortez owners and Cortez wannabes, that say, yeah, I really like this product, but I would want a shower door, or I just need something aside from the curtain. So if you haven't seen, all the newer Cortez are going to have just a curtain that hangs here, and it does its job, but it's a curtain. So this is a new idea that we're trying, so we want to get some feedback from you as well now that we've done it. Comment below and even give us a call if you'd like to give us your opinion. But what we did was we put the Nautilus shower door here. So easy as this, you slide it over, and it comes back and it squeegees itself off. So this is the same door that they have on the Winnebago View, the Vita products. Even if you look at some trailers like the Braxton Creek Bushwhacker Plus has the same type of shower door. So it works really, really well. It's been proven in a lot of other products. And we think that it's a nice fix for this space to kind of give you real privacy of the door, and also just like, I think it'll probably do a better job of keeping water inside as well. So we think we might have fixed this preference or problem, if you want to call it. We think we've got a fix for it. Let us know what you think. We're going to link all the Cortez that we have in inventory below, so check them out. And if you guys have any questions, give us a shout. And as always, enjoy the journey. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. So we want to remind you again to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so we can keep you updated with the best that the RV industry has to offer. If you want to stick around and watch some more videos, we've got a link for 2 videos here. So we'd love for you to stay and look at that. And if there's anything else that you want us to do videos on, leave comments. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the journey.